because she went on an interview and made this blunder. People, now check it.
Monthly basis, let's call it $2,000 a month. If you faithfully put away that $2,000 because it's something that you were not getting before, 3 years, you'll have a tidy sum that you could put down in a car, a little pro box that you have to drive to go to work, and you don't have to stand up in the sun or think about rain to get a vehicle to drive. So yeah,
$2,000 a month over 3 years, Minister. You think we can? And you think you can put out on a car with that?
yeah, a little pro box. You
A
get
little 20-year-old pro box.
Ask you, Minister, from last night to today, they want to know where they can get the Pro Box that costs $2,000 per month. That if you put it aside, where they can buy that Pro Box. Because they say they want that Pro Box. That when you put aside $2,000 a month for 3 months, you can pay down on that Pro Box. So they've asked me to ask you because they are ready to buy that Pro Box. So I want to ask the Minister, please tell me where that Pro Box is. I come into you. That's easy. I come into you. Mr. Speaker, the JLP has gone to great lengths. Speaker, you can protect me, please. You can protect me. Please protect me.
As you can see and hear, even Miss Williams Spears clowned her about her $3,000 statement. But people, it lead me to wonder, where did she get this information about? So I'm draw from my calculator and say, for me, did I get the figures them wrong? Or she? And these are the numbers that I came up with. So let me know if this can buy a Pro Box in Jamaica.
Hi, good morning. I see a Pro Box not interested in it. I was wondering if I can do a deposit of 72,000, if that's okay.
Oh, that sounds like scam, sir.
No, man, just a deposit, man. According to the minister, you can do 72,000 for pay down for one Pro Box. I swear to God. You never know, you know the policy there for true?
No, I don't know about that.
Which one out there? Literally, the Minister of Education, the lady, she said 72,000, you can pay them on a Pro Box. I swear to God.
I would pay the money.
Just a pay down, just a, put towards, so I wonder, we can put 72,000.
I first hear that.
Swear, I'm showing the video, because you can live here too.
If I save $2,000 a month for a year, that's $24,000. I went to